Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Anchor application. Now firstly, to log into the Anchor application, make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up the Anchor application on your device. If you don't have it installed into your device, go ahead to Play Store and use it to install the Anchor application. Now after you have installed the Anchor application, to log in or register to it, you can click on this register option on the top right corner of your screen like this, and after you do that, simply click on the click here option on the menu that pops up. Now once you do that, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page you will have to fill in your country here and then fill in your phone number here. Once you have filled in your phone number, click on this arrow. After you do that, click on yes. Now a code will be sent to you on your phone as a SMS, or a phone call will be done to do that. So as you can see, a phone call has come. Now once you pick up that phone call, the caller will dictate a code which you will have to fill in to the Anchor application, and once you do that, you will be logged in. I hope this video helped you to log into Anchor. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.